Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you want a useful tool you can easily put in your pocket, check these out. Say hello to the gripped plastic scrapers. It's got a sharp blunt edge on one end and a rounded sliced edge on the other. It's indented on each side to make it easy to grip and to apply pressure. I used it for a special project where I was stripping veneer off of these lamp legs. It made all the difference being able to scrape that off thoroughly, making the raw wood available so I can give our lamp a brand new life. A lot of times when I'm mopping, I come across things that are hard to get off. Having that scrape available, even if I'm wiping off of any other surface, I can have it in my apron and get all of that gunk out and be confident that it is now clean. Both sides work great to get all of that soap scum off and get a nice wipe clean slate. As I'm washing dishes, very often I have hard to remove buildup, and having these scrapers available really makes quick work of dishes. I also resealed this part of our counter, and as you can see, it's got a lot of buildup of adhesive. So these scrapers helped so much getting that built up glue and really get detailed work from the other end. Buildup has been driving me crazy, and I was so excited to finally get it up. You can now see the difference. It looks so clean. These scraper tools fit easily into your hand and are as easy to maneuver as a pencil. These are just a wonderful thing to have. And that's my point of view.